Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. My son plays in an under-11s football team, which means most Sundays we have to get up at the crack of dawn and schlep halfway across North London to some godforsaken pitch somewhere or other. And while he plays, I stand on the touchline, urging his team on and supporting them. His team's called Rose FC, by the way. And last Sunday they had a cup game. It was a freezing cold morning, which meant I had to sort of stand there freezing like hell while my son played. And unfortunately, they lost 9-0. They were absolutely played off the pitch. The other team outclassed them. Basically, they got absolutely battered. If you say that a sports team gets battered, you mean that they lose by a large margin. So the other team, White Star they were called, absolutely battered my boys' team. That my boys' team got battered. In the same way, in the World Cup last week, Portugal battered Switzerland 6-1. Batter can also mean to hit someone a lot over a period of time often. So in extreme domestic abuse cases, you have guys who batter their wives, and you have refuges for battered women, where women who've been the victims of domestic abuse, women who've been battered by their partners, can go to escape from abusive relationships. In the same way also, maybe burglars might batter the door down, knock a door so hard that it falls down when they're burgling a place. And you sometimes hear the word used in more poetic ways as well. So you might talk about waves battering against rocks. Sadly, it's also used in more brutal cases as well. So you might read about someone who was battered to death with a baseball bat, for example. If you've enjoyed this video, maybe enjoy's the wrong word, if you found this video educational, please do click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. As always, we'd love to see examples of how you might use this word.